Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a Piaggio Vespa PX125 from 1992. Really original condition, no rust at all. Nice little runner bike. Engine is good. You still have the spare tyre as well, which is cool to see from original. So starting from the front, probably in need of a front tyre. As you can see, it's fairly bald. You have a little bit of peeling of the paint here on the front mud guard. Up the front though on the metals here, all pretty good. The Italian flag down the left hand side of the bike. Indicators all working. Floor is in good condition. Under here as well we've seen hardly any rust, which is good to see. There's the key, and then in there is a bit of storage. 29,000 kilometers on her, the single mirror, the classic Vespa styling. Down to the rear and the back, all in good nick. There's that spare tyre, which is actually in really nice condition, as you can see there. It's not even cracking on the sides or anything, and the rear tyre as well there. Onto the left hand side, not too bad here. A little bit of fading on this cover here, but all good apart from that. Little mark on the left back here. Main stand only, no side stand. Here's your rear brake on the foot. And as you know with these, the front gear lever or to change the gears on the left hand side on Vespas. And then onto the front left here, indicator, all that nice nick as well. And back onto the front tyre. So that's it for the visual analysis. We'll now move on to the ride-along video.
Okay, we're on the Piaggio Vespa PX125, the non-E version, so kickstart only. Kickstart only bike. So mechanically this bike is really sound. Once you get her up and running, she's really nice. All the indicators, all that kind of stuff, working lovely. This is it's a different day to the day I shot the visual analysis. I did you know, you have to get used to these things on the gears on the hand when you're riding normal bikes the whole time. But I shot about what would be let me think, probably 8 or 9 videos in one day, and there's into third. But as you can see, riding really nice, lots of power throughout the gears, low revs and high revs. We're really motoring up the top now, and we'll just come down into first gear now. How we do around. I got getting used to the gears now. As you'll know on any proper Piaggio Vespas, the gears here on the left hand side, so you've clutch in, then you spin your wrist here to go first, second, third, fourth. And I hit neutral every time. We're in second there now. Well, plenty of power in her. I think I probably still have the indicator on, I do, yeah. But plenty of power in her. Probably the only thing that needs doing, as I said in the video as well, is it could probably do with 2 tyres, front and rear. I think they're about tyres are about €10 each maybe for the front and rear for a decent pair. I am still with the indicator on. There we go, got the indicator on, or off I should say. So I'm just going to turn in here to the left hand side, use my one left hand mirror. Here's my rear brake, look over the shoulder and come into a stop. Now, seating height then, obviously very easy on this little bike, no major issues. You'll get on this bike no matter what size you are. Let me turn off the indicators there now. So our main stand only on this bike, right underneath the center of the bike itself. So there she is, that's how she sits. As you can see, ticking over very, very nicely. Let me just get a picture for the thumbnail. There we are. Okay, but I will say we have had a good few Vespas through us. They are so difficult to find in this kind of running condition. No matter about the outside is the easiest thing to do on a Vespa. To get it where it's running and driving like this one is next to impossible. I haven't seen any. I've hardly seen any actually that actually run properly. We even had one that was 3,500 euros spent on it. All the outside done, everything mint on it, and it still didn't run like this, which is nice. So you have a really mechanically sound bike. I mean, if you wanted to have this thing really mint, what you do is you just have the whole bike painted. It's 500 quid to get the whole bike painted, whatever colour you want, 2 new tyres, and away you go. We're putting this up and we're pricing it at a really fair price, I think. The bike will be registered, that's a Spanish plate on it, but the bike will be registered in Irish plates. We already have that done. We're just waiting for the plate to come out to us. Really, really good condition bike. In general though, I wouldn't think too hard into the aesthetics of it. Now, front left indicator, as you can see, rear left indicator, again, electrics working really, really nice. Horn working. Right hand, there's the brake light working as well, and there's the front right and the front light working too. So really, to take away from this video, this is a really superb bike, and I would 100% recommend it to anyone who's looking for a Vespa, because other ones you'll get out there, it is so difficult to find them that they aren't in heaps on the mechanical side. And when you find one that is good mechanically, you should jump on it. So that's really been it for the Piaggio Vespa PX125. And as I say, clutch is really nice and near. Doesn't not slipping on me at all or anything like that. But that's it. If you have liked the video, please do like, and also give us a comment down below. What do you make of these PX125s? Finally, if you could subscribe, that would be greatly appreciated. And our social medias as well are at RetroBikesDublin for Facebook and Instagram, as well as www.retrobikesdublin.com. So that's been it for this video. Thanks for watching.